How to split screen on Samsung Galaxy Zfold 8 and Zfold 8 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open your Desire apps which you want to split the view. After that, tap on Recent App button and tap on App icon, then tap on Open and Split Screen View. You can select the three apps at one time. Now I'm select the recent one. And if you want to add third one, you can simply drag that app and place on the desired position. You can relocate the position of Windows by taping on three dots and tap this icon. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.